Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is April and today we are going to be talking about the May 2019 BoxyCharm subscription box. Real quick before we get into that, couple housekeeping things. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe and hit that bell notification down below. Lets you know whenever I upload new content. And also, if you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up before you leave and let me know you liked it. Lets me know that I'm creating the kind of content that you like to see. Since we got all that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into the BoxyCharm box for May 2019. So for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a $21 plus tax in some areas subscription box service. You get 4 to 5 full-size products monthly. Usually for me, I receive the full 5. If not, if I've received 4, I usually got a deluxe sample, but that's I think only been once or twice in the past year that I've been subscribing to the service. So box looks about like this, and this month's theme is Make Waves. And this month I did receive 5 products. The first product that I received, I was super excited about getting. I really wanted to try it when I saw the spoilers coming out, and I'm pretty bad about that. I look for spoilers because I'm always excited, you know, what the next month has to offer. Also, it kind of helps me know if I'm running out of a certain product, if it's going to be included in the box, I don't repurchase it as quickly as I normally would. So the first product that I received is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. It says, gentle but make it bubbly, daily conditioning gel cleanser, gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles to deep clean and remove impurities. So it is soap, fragrance, SLS, SLES free, and it's approved for all skin types. I've tried it a couple times. I really like it. It got my makeup off pretty well. It doesn't have any harsh scents to it or anything like that, and it definitely left my skin feeling really good and prepared for my moisturizing after. So I definitely recommend trying it. And one time I intentionally did not take my makeup off before doing my skincare routine just to see what would happen. And I went in with a makeup wipe after I took a shower and nothing came out on the makeup wipe. I was very excited and very pleased. I've never had a Glam Glow product that I've tried that I did not love. So definitely if you've never tried the brand, I'd go ahead and give them a try, but try that cleanser. It's very good. Okay, so the next product that I received is the Aloha Colorette Blush Trio. I received the medium tan. I haven't tried it quite yet, but it's very beautiful packaging. Very pretty. Very summery, very beach vibes. This is what it looks like on the inside. Has a beautiful mirror, 3 beautiful blushes, and they are Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. Go ahead. They're very pretty, very corally. Like I said, I'll give them a try and see how I like them, see if I can make them work. If nothing else, maybe as, you know, on my eyes in some ways. I'm excited. I like a lot of Aloha's products. I've tried some of their brushes, some of their eyeshadow palettes that I received in other BoxyCharm boxes. Okay, so the next product I received in my box is Ciate London's Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in the color Cupid. It's retails for $22. This is the beautiful packaging that it comes in. It's 0.101 ounces of product. And for anybody who received this and is having a hard time finding the name, the shade names are up here. I know there were probably, I think, 2 shades that came out in this month's box. And this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. It's almost like a lavender pinkish color with like a rose gold. I mean, just look how stunning. I wore this the other day with one of my other purple palettes, and it was absolutely beautiful. I really liked it. It stayed on all day. The sheen and everything is absolutely beautiful. And again, that retails for $22 as well. And I mean, think about it, $22. The box is $21. I know I paid just a little bit over for tax, but I mean, one product paid for the entire box. The next product I received is from a company I have not tried before, but I'm excited to. It's from Steve Laurent, and it's their, I believe it says Posh on the box. So I'm not sure if that's the shade name or the line name, but it is a lip gloss. And look at this packaging. Again, stunning, stunning packaging in this month's box. So you open it up here. And maybe, maybe not. Let's see if we can get this out of the box. Okay. Yep. Beautiful rose gold and clear packaging. And yes, it says Posh, so I'm assuming that's the color name. It's like a peachy brownish color. Very, very pretty, very shiny. Has a slight scent to it. Very, very, very slight scent. It's not a bad scent. It's just like, can't put my finger on what it smells like to me. But it says 1 part balm, 3 parts silk. The Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy, lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with one swipe. That also runs $22. And it's very, very beautiful. Still can't put my finger on what that smells like, but I'm excited to give it a try and see what I think of it. Hopefully it's not going to be too sticky on the lips, but I will go ahead and update you guys down below once I do get a chance to wear it, kind of how it wears for me. And the last thing that we received in this month's box is a brush duo from Bodyography. It's perfect brush set for lining and creating detailed eyeshadow looks. Use the angled liner brush for precise lining across the lid and brows. Use the flat shader brush 2 for precise and detailed application of shadows. Duo runs $17. I've never tried any of Bodyography's products, so I'm kind of excited. I'm a brush junkie. I love different kinds of brushes. So yeah, I'm excited to give their brand a try. I think a lot of what I have in my collection at this point, Luxie, I have some Wet n Wild brushes and things like that. So as you can see, nice flat shader brush, feels very soft, very, very soft. And this brush looks super stiff, but it even feels very, very soft. So I am very excited to give these a try, and I will try to let you guys know kind of what I think of them, how they work for me, maybe some hints, tips, and tricks. That is the review for the May 2019 BoxyCharm box. If you have any ideas for future videos you'd like to see from me, any products you'd like me to try, anything like that, any different variations that you received for the box, you can go ahead and include those below. I'd be really interested to see what everybody got. This is the first video of many for my channel, and I would like to, like I said, know what you guys want to see, what you're thinking, what you're into. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!